look like. In a perfect world, I used to not wear gloves, but now I do because you don't want that stuff underneath your fingernails.
I don't wear gloves, but it does dry out your hands.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, like I do a lot of recording. It's like, okay, I got my hands clean to stop the video and start.
So you just can't pull a worm out of the ground and start your own bucket.
Yeah,
No, those are earthworms.
Yeah, but if you smell it, what does it smell like? You don't have to put your nose in it.
I don't know, when you talk about that tea that just,
Yeah,
they
but this
They
was
make it
the,
smell
this
it.
was all.
You got 2,000 worms in there?
No, this doesn't have 2,000. This is more like the stragglers that I
you just think you're gonna get a whistle.
What are they
Yeah,
hiding?
it's right here.
Oh,
This is a European nightcrawler.
oh, those
This
are,
one's a lot
yeah, I
smaller.
can see where you could have 1,000
wow.
of those.
Because
Which one's a nightcrawler? That one?
that one is, but yeah, if you give them that worm chow.
It's on the red. It's part of the red wiggler.
That's right.
So, do
Or
you see a baby?
that one, it's a European red
We're
wiggler.
looking for I'm trying to find one. I just did a video and it says what your cocoons look like on my channel. I showed you that.
They're about the size of a grain of rice.
So they're getting lettuce right now.
There's a little guy there.
So, I don't see any cocoons right now. But yeah, this, yeah, but why don't you like that? If you give them that like oatmeal, they'll get fat. So,
Or you find that in your book.
You said that was a European nightcrawler?
Yeah.
Is there an African one too?
no, I don't have Africans. It's too cold. This climate's way too cold. What I'm
So
gonna
how do they
do,
climb out then?
they call it the side.
They do, they can climb up the side.
Yeah.
But they won't leave if it's.
Yeah, this is where they go in. They never go to the, but
So you did have a lid on it, it won't go out?
they shouldn't. As long as you have light on, they won't come out.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, you gotta have light.
Do you have one down there?
No, I just
You don't have to have light. If your environment is good, they don't stay in.
yeah, I have another bin with more worms, and it's a longer one.
So could you do this as a business?
Yeah, I could make money right now. I've sold before, but if a lot of people want it, it's supply and demand. It's too hard because
Well, I saw it on PBS years ago, and the big commercial guys, they went to stores and got cardboard.
Yep.
And then they laid the cardboard down, wet it, and the worms just keep going up, and then they harvest the castings in the bottom. I was like, really, just cardboard?
Yeah.
But you know, if like IBM could donate to their throwaway,
There's a
I'm
lot-
sure they throw a lot
Yeah.
of food away.
There's a lot of people that don't, we just gotta touch base with the community.
Before they sold, I talked to the courts and they were going to donate, as long as I signed something that I wasn't gonna eat it.
Yeah.
They said I could take as much as I wanted, but that was.
Do they
that
have
was
special
the
bins out back, or do they?
Is that a rock?
Did they do,
No, that's an eggshell, egg carton
just
shell.
trash bins?
Oh, okay.
Would they save it for
Yeah.
you?
No, I would just have to go up there,
Certain time of the day?
That's
yeah.
Taking it out.
like,
But
when I
they're-
was in Houston,
They're not moving fast
I would go up
because
to
they're on
Starbucks
So-
and ask for the coffee grounds and they,
I've been taking these for years.
give them.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that we throw away some.
I grab a banana peel out of the trash, and somebody calls me a trash dumpster diver. I'm a dumpster diver.
Yes, sir.
Well, yeah, okay,
Hey,
but
Jody,
cans too, I recycle.
when it comes to worms, like the big worm farmers I connect with, we have like 5 million worms. You know, we have supply and demand. I don't have enough. Like I said, I might have like.
So most places.
Well, he said like $100, so like
So what they
every
do in
3
Houston,
months,
they didn't
if
sign something
if
to
you
you?
like
No,
raised
they
it for
just
a
need to,
few
because, you know,
months,
they don't
if
have
you
to
kept.
pay, if you're taking it, they don't have to pay.
Yeah.
And same thing with the grocery stores, they,
Yeah, but
But
then
you
you
would
could
just-
make money.
Like every month you could make a,
Oh,
I
here's
don't know
something
if it's
good.
worth it for 100.
Yeah, you can make like
Yeah,
you can sell what you want. But yeah, that's a picture of my worm.
there,
Oh my
anybody wants to
goodness.
see an egg.
That's an egg.
Oh my.
I want to thank all the viewers for watching. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. Thank you for taking time out to watch, and you have a great day.
About the size of a grain